What's going on, everybody? Jose Buenteo here with the Harvest Real Estate Group. Welcome to the south side of San Antonio. Let's go ahead and look at this beautiful, charming home. This 4-bed, 1-bath, located at 5442 Red Sky Drive is the home for you. It's 1,160 square feet of beautiful, charming home. 4-bed, 1-bath, located on 0.15 of a lot size. Let me take you inside. Roof shingles installed in 2018. Tile floors and move-in ready. Updated kitchen, cabinets, countertops with wood accent walls, spacious living / family room, converted garage can be a spacious master, man cave, mother-in-law suite, game room, entertainment room. The possibilities are endless. Laundry room built in. The bath has a new sink. All throughout the bath you'll see this trendy tile. Ceiling fans and living space. Spacious backyard, great for entertaining with the chain link fence. New water heater pad. Don't pass up on this charming starter home located near Pearsall Park, Miller's Pond Park, and a community center.